Hi guys. Today for your space project, you are going to be making a name rocket. So let me show you what we are going to do. I have on my easel, I don't think you can see the whole thing, and if I turn it down too far, it's going to fall off. So here is, you have a piece of paper that is about the length of your name. You have a little bit extra. You have a baggie with enough squares in it to spell your name. The triangle is the top of your baggie, and then you have some orange or red tissue paper, and the baggie has your name on it. Okay, you are also going to need glue. You are going to need a pencil and a marker if you want a marker. You don't have to do the marker part. I'll show you. All right, so the first thing, you don't need to put your name on your paper because you're going to spell your name to make your rocket. So open up your baggie and you need to grab the triangle. So we're going to do a little bit of math with this too. So 3 sides, 3 points for a triangle. And the triangle is going to get glued right at the top of your paper, so because that is going to be the top of your rocket. I'm going to use my glue bottle. Remember, it's the only time you can scribble. So when you're using glue. And I am going to glue the top of my rocket right at the top of my paper, right in the middle of my paper. Now, you can choose whatever order you want your colored squares to go in. So if you have a pink, not everybody has the same colors. If you want the pink to go first, you can have the pink. If you want the red or the green or the blue, whatever, however you want to do it. Oh, my triangle's coming off. I gotta make sure I keep that down. All right. And you are going to take and put one letter of your name, you're going to write it with your pencil. Okay? So watch me. Mrs. Fredericks does this really good, so she has the camera back far enough. I'm not as good as she is. So the first letter of my name is an M. So I'm going to write M with my pencil. Then I'm going to write R, because that's the next letter in my name. Then I need S. I have a little period up there. Then I need an H. Some of you, this will be a quick project, like Ava, because Ava only has 3 letters in her name. Some people like Adeline or Drew. If I think I did Andrew for Drew. It might take a little bit longer because you have a longer name, or Braden. All right, now I need an I. Remember, I'm writing this with pencil just in case I make a mistake. There's a C. There's a K. And one of my pieces of paper fell. Here is the S for my name. So that says Mrs. Hicks. Then what I need to do is I need to take and glue them on in the right order. So I am going to start right underneath my triangle for my rocket. And remember, these are squares. They are 4 points, 4 sides, and they are all the same length, all the same long. So there's M. R. And remember, we always start at the top, so we're going to start at the top with our name. S. I think I might be going crooked, but that's okay. I'll have a really cool name thing that you can hang up if you want to. H. My name is long, huh? Good thing we didn't do Mrs. Frederick's. Hers is even longer. See? Okay, I'm hoping you can see. Yep, you can still see it. Now I gave you a little bit of extra on the bottom to add the tissue paper and S. So, MRSHICKS. If you want to, you can now take a marker and trace on top of your letters to make it stand out. So, M. The other thing you might want to do is wait till it dries before you do that. R, but it's totally up to you. But I want you to do it with a pencil first, just in case you make a mistake, so that you can erase it if you make a mistake. H, I. Make sure you're saying the letters of your name as you're doing this. C, K, S. That says Mrs. Hicks. You can see it much better now, can't you? All right, and you can choose whatever colored marker you want if you want to do that. Now, I have 2 pieces of orange and 1 piece of red tissue paper. And what I am going to do is put this, I don't know if you can see, I'm going to put this, glue it so it looks like there's fire coming out of my rocket ship. Normally, I guess I could put the glue on the back of the tissue paper. Just be careful because it's going to be very sticky. So there's 1 piece. Here's my other piece. And remember, we're using glue bottle to make those papers stick down because it's heavy paper. And I have 1 red piece I'm going to put right in the middle. Okay, if you want to cut the pieces for the fire coming out, go right ahead. All right? So, I have a name rocket. It says MRSHICKS. Mrs. Hicks. If you want to cut your paper right here, if you have extra, you can do that. I just wanted to make sure that you had enough room. So I made them extra long for you. All right? Send me a picture because I cannot wait to see your handwriting of your name, and I can't wait to see how your rockets come out. I thought this was a really cool project. I hope you like it. I will see you later.